torus. Picture a surface shaped like a donut, smooth, continuous, and looping back on itself. That's a torus, one of the most important objects in topology and geometry. Formally, it can be described as the product of two circles, giving it a unique structure with a central hole and a continuous surface. Unlike a sphere, it has a genus of one, meaning it contains one hole. This simple difference leads to very different properties, making the torus essential in fields ranging from fluid dynamics to cosmology. Mucube. Less commonly discussed but visually intriguing, a mucube can be thought of as a modified or distorted cube used in geometric explorations and visualizations. Instead of perfectly flat faces and straight edges, its structure is often altered to study symmetry, deformation, or projection effects. Shapes like this are useful in understanding how rigid geometric rules can be relaxed, allowing mathematicians and designers to explore transformations between regular and irregular forms. Sierpiński Triangle. Start with a solid triangle, remove the central inverted triangle, and repeat the process infinitely. The result is the Sierpiński Triangle, a classic fractal with self-similarity at every scale. Despite having an infinite number of holes, its overall shape remains bounded. Mathematically, it has a non-integer, fractal dimension, reflecting its position between a one-dimensional line and a two-dimensional surface. It's a powerful example of how simple recursive rules can generate infinitely complex structures. Golden spiral. Growth patterns in nature often follow a specific mathematical rhythm, captured by the golden spiral. This spiral expands outward while maintaining its shape, with its growth factor linked to the golden ratio, approximately 1.618. Unlike an ordinary spiral, its spacing increases geometrically, which is why it appears in phenomena like galaxies, hurricanes, and shell formations. It represents how mathematics can describe natural growth with surprising precision. Reuleaux Tetrahedron. Take four spheres of equal radius, center each one at the vertex of a tetrahedron, and look at their intersection. The result is a Reuleaux tetrahedron, a three-dimensional shape with curved faces. While not a true constant-width solid, it shares similar properties, maintaining a nearly uniform distance across certain orientations. Its geometry lies between polyhedra and smooth surfaces, making it important in studies of convex geometry and mechanical design. Apollonian Gasket. Imagine filling a space with circles, then packing smaller circles into every gap, and repeating forever. This creates the Apollonian Gasket, a fractal formed by recursive circle packing. Each new circle fits perfectly into the spaces left by previous ones, creating an infinitely dense and self-similar pattern. Beyond its visual beauty, it connects to number theory and geometry, showing how structure and order can emerge from repeated constraints.